Instead of straight lines, if you want to go ahead and make arcs in SketchUp, then what you can actually do is you can go around over here just like this. So here you can see that I got arc right here. You got 2-point arc and bi as well. So let's say, for example, I have something like a straight line and I want to add in an arc right here. In that case, I can simply go around over here onto arc. And if I were to actually go around over here, click and then click and drag it, you can see that I can go ahead and make an arc like this just by clicking and letting go. You can see that this is what you have, and then you can go ahead and of course place it out as you like right here, just like this. So you can also go around over here onto, let's say, for example, 2-point arc, and as you do that, you can see that you can go ahead and then select a particular location right here and then add in an arc. Let's just go around and press Ctrl Z right here, and I'm simply going to go ahead and, let's say, for example, make out a straight line right here. So now what I can do is I can go around over here onto 2-point arc, click and let go, and you can see that I can utilize this arc right here just like this to create out a curve just like this. You can also go around onto 3-point arc right here, meaning I can go around and actually click 3 times right here just like this to go ahead and create out an arc as well. You can go around over here and then even go ahead and create out like a pi arc right here just like this, and it's actually an enclosed space, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and draw out arcs inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.